Alrighty, y'all. So it looks like we got a little bit some. 2 packs, it looks like it is. Let's check this out. Let's check out. Now let's hope it unlocks some other stuff. But yeah, if y'all got a vending machine in your area, shit, Google it. Go on Pokemon Center. Google Pokemon Center vending machines in your area and see what they got. Safeway, Bonds, Ralph's, Food for Less. Don't look at my ugly ass feet, alright? Don't make fun of me. Now let's see. Alright, give it a little bit of time. Hear that unlock, or that lock, I mean. And no Journey Together. I mean, no Destined Rivals. And just to make sure they ain't nothing else left. Alright, we'll try later on. Peace out. Alright, yo. The results. Let's see what we can get. Journey Together. With the Magmortar. I mean, I do like Magmar, but there's no Magmar alt. I don't want it. They should have a Magmar alt. For reals, though. Alright. It's the Durant. Grass Energy.